Have you ever tried copying a table into Canva and it just doesn't look right? Maybe the formatting breaks or the cells shift around? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to copy and paste a table into Canva the right way with all your formatting intact. Let's start with the simplest method. If you already have a table in Excel, Google Sheets, or Word, just highlight the entire table and press Ctrl plus C on Windows or Command plus C on Mac. Now, open Canva. Click on the page where you want to paste it and press Ctrl plus V or Command plus V. Canva will automatically import your table as an editable element. From there, you can move, resize, or style it however you like, just like any other design element. But here's a pro tip. If you notice that your table loses its formatting, like borders or colors, there's a smarter way to do it. Save your file, whether it's a Word document or spreadsheet, and upload it directly to Canva. Once uploaded, open it in a new Canva tab. Canva will display your document in editable form. From there, simply copy the table again and paste it into your main design. This helps preserve most of the original layout. And if you want to build a new table from scratch inside Canva, go to the Elements tab and search for Table. You can then adjust rows, columns, colors, and borders easily. Or, if you need a more spreadsheet-like setup, try Canva's Sheets feature. It's perfect for data-heavy visuals or reports. So now, whether you're bringing in a table or designing one from scratch, you can make your Canva project look clean, organized, and professional without any formatting headaches. If this helped you, don't forget to keep exploring Canva's tools. You'll be surprised at how much time they can save you once you know these simple tricks.